After launching the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro earlier this year, phone maker OnePlus is all set to launch a new affordable smartphone, the OnePlus Z, first OnePlus phone with mid-range processor. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the expected specs of OnePlus Z. Before getting started, subscribe to this channel. Now if you have done that, let's get started. As per its speculations, OnePlus Z is set to feature a 6.4-inch AMOLED punch-hole display. The resolution of the display is set to be at 1080 by 2340 pixels along with a pixel density of 403 ppi, ensuring a full HD display. Moreover, the display gets a 90Hz refresh rate to ensure a smooth display that is protected by Gorilla Glass. OnePlus Z is suspected to feature a dual camera setup on the rear end along with a single front camera. The rear camera setup comprises of a 48MP primary camera backed by a 16MP ultra-wide lens. The front camera setup is expected to carry a 12MP resolution. The OnePlus Z is set to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor with integrated 5G, CPU clocking at 2.4 GHz and Adreno 620 GPU. It will have 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. Powering the device will be a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 30W warp charging facility. The rear camera panel is said to be glass with curved edges towards the sides, but with the front display being the flat overall using 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Fingerprint sensor will be in-display optical sensor. A USB-C port sits on the bottom, but there is no sign of a 3.5mm headphone jack. It will be having an aluminum frame. The OnePlus Z is expected to launch in July 1st in India. Price tag will be around 25,000 to 30,000 Indian rupees, making the most affordable of OnePlus phones in the country at the moment. That's it. Hope you end up liking it. If you do, give a like and share this video. Comment down below about your thoughts on OnePlus Z. Lastly, subscribe to this channel for more informative tech videos and also turn on notifications to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching iSpecss. Have a great day.